Here I have OPPO A15s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on three lines, then tap on the gear icon to access settings, go to the watermark, enable phone model watermark, and here you can also add your custom watermark. So let's write something down. Tap OK, and now let's try to take a photo with our new custom watermark. And as you can see, here I have my new watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.